Alright. If I have a rectangle that is 8 by 3. Okay. What is the formula to find perimeter? That's area.
24.
Okay, but what is the formula for perimeter?
2W.
What? 2 times the width. Plus 2 times the height or the length or whatever you want to call it. Okay, so in this case, 2 times, what is my width? 8 plus 2 times, what's my length? And if you flip-flop goes around, that's fine. So 2 times 8? 16 plus 6 is 22.
I can't count.
Or you can add up all the sides, yes. Yep, adding up all the sides works as well. Okay, Cameron, please shut that, please. I'm not sure why it's open in the first place. Alright, so area. How do I find area?
Oh, you take the length times the height.
The length times the width, or the base times the height. Okay, you'll see it written either way. So in this case, what's my length? 8 times what's my width?
3.
And I get 24.
Boom. Is that our lesson?
Not quite. We still got a little bit more to do. Alright? Alright, so let's say that it gives us the points negative is -4, 2, B is -4, 4, and C is 2, 4. Alright, so I've got, so if I do this, -4, 2 is right there, right? A, -4, 4 is B, and 2, 4 is C. Right?
Yeah.
Alright, so do some connecting because we're trying to find the perimeter. So if I'm doing perimeter, I need all 3 sides, right? Alright, so this side is 2. This side is 6. What about that side?
I don't know.
4.
How do we find it? No.
Equals C squared.
Okay, so we could, since, okay, listen guys. Okay, you could use Pythagorean theorem. We could also use the distance formula, because we're looking for the distance between A and C, right? Okay, so that means if we're trying to find AC, we need to use the point A and the point C when I'm doing the distance formula. So what goes in my first set of parentheses? 2 plus 4 squared plus squared. So 2 plus 4 squared plus 2. Okay, no. 6 squared is 36 plus 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. Squared is 4. So I get the square root of 40. Hey guys, all the side conversations need to stop. Okay, it is totally disrespectful when I'm up here trying to teach and you guys are having your own conversations. I'm pretty sure that I give you plenty of time at the end of class to have your conversations. Okay, so what is the square root of 40?
6.32.
All right, so this is 6.32, this side would be? Okay, so if I add up all my sides, what is my perimeter? 14.32 would be my perimeter. Okay. And then the circle, the radius of 5. Does anybody remember the formula for circumference?
No.
Close, that's area.
Oh, pi times r squared. Pi plus r squared.
2 pi r, there you go. Boston, 2 pi times the radius. Okay, so double the radius, multiply it by pi. So in this case, 2 times the radius is 10 pi. Now, most of the assignment is going to tell you to leave it in terms of pi. And what that means is just leave it as 10 pi. Okay? If they ask you for it to the nearest tenth, then you would multiply 10 times pi. Okay? So then the area, which I heard from a few people, is pi r squared. Yep. So in this case, r squared is 25 pi.
Do you write it pi 25?
No, always go number first. Always number before your symbols. Just like if you had like 6x, you wouldn't write it as x6. Right? What if they give you the diameter as being
Divided by 2.
12?
Divided by 2.
Yeah, then your radius would be 6. And then you would do these same things with your radius being 6. Okay? So